Hello friends, welcome to Biolon Creations. This is Praveen Chandra Kumar, and today I want to tell you something about the muscles of the anterior compartment of the thigh. Okay, let's go through the video. First of all, what is thigh? Thigh is the region in between the knee joint as well as the hip joint. And the thigh consists of three compartments: the anterior compartment, posterior compartment as well as the medial compartment. And in this video I will explain about the muscles present in the anterior compartment with its origin, insertion as well as the nerve supply. Okay, anterior compartment. The anterior compartment is present in between the lateral and the medial intermuscular septum. First of all, the thigh consists of three intermuscular septae, that is a lateral septum, a medial septum as well as a posterior intermuscular septum. So the anterior compartment is present in between the lateral and the medial septum. So if you see the muscles of the anterior compartment, there are 6 muscles from the anterior compartment of the thigh. So what are the 6 muscles? The 6 muscles are sartorius, vastus lateralis, vastus intermedius, vastus medialis, rectus femoris, and finally articularis genu. So the first muscle will be sartorius. The sartorius takes its origin from the anterior superior iliac spine and also the upper half of the small notch which is present just below the spine. And it is insertion. The next one will be the insertion. It is inserted into the upper medial shaft of the tibia. Nerve supply, it is supplied by the femoral nerve. I think you are all know this fact that the sartorius is the longest muscle in our body. Next muscle will be the rectus femoris. When we see the rectus femoris has two heads, a straight head as well as a reflected head. So the straight head takes its origin from the anterior inferior iliac spine, and the reflected head takes its origin from the a point just superior to the acetabulum and also the capsule of the hip joint. When we see the insertion of the rectus femoris is inserted into the base of the patella, and it is this tendon of this muscle is present just anterior to the tendon of vastus intermedius, which I will be explained later. Then the nerve supply to rectus femoris. The nerve supply to rectus femoris is by the femoral nerve. Then the next muscle will be the vastus lateralis. The vastus lateralis takes its origin from upper part of the intertrochanteric line and the anterior and inferior part of the greater trochanter, and also the lateral part of the gluteal tuberosity, and also the upper half of the lateral lip of linea aspera. Insertion. The vastus lateralis is inserted into the lateral part of the base of the patella and also the upper part of the upper 1/3 of the lateral border of the patella, and also it is inserted into the capsule of the knee joint. And the nerve supply, it is supplied by the femoral nerve. Then the next muscle will be the vastus intermedius. The vastus intermedius takes its origin from the upper 3/4 of the anterior as well as the lateral surface of the shaft of the femur, and it is inserted into the base of the patella just posterior to the rectus femoris. While I am explaining the rectus femoris, I already told this point. Is it the tendon of rectus femoris is just anterior to the vastus intermedius, and the tendon of vastus intermedius is just posterior to the rectus femoris. Both of these tendons are inserted into the base of the patella. And when we see the nerve supply, it is also supplied by the femoral nerve. Then the next muscle will be the vastus medialis. When we see the origin, the vastus medialis takes its origin from the inferior part of intertrochanteric line and also the spiral line and also the medial lip of linea aspera and also the upper 1/4 of the medial supracondylar line. Then insertion of this muscle, this muscle is inserted into the medial 1/3 of the base of the patella and also the upper 2/3 of the medial border of the patella, and this muscle is also supplied by the femoral nerve. And then the last and the final small muscle of the anterior compartment is the articularis genu. It is basically a small muscle which is the most deep muscle of the anterior compartment, and it is a small ribbon like muscle present in the anterior compartment of the thigh. And this muscle takes its origin from the anterior part of the anterior surface of the femur and also inserted into the suprapatellar bursa, and this muscle is also supplied by the femoral nerve. So these are the muscles which are present in the anterior compartment of the thigh. I hope that you are all get some idea about the muscles which are present in the anterior compartment of the thigh, and see you guys in another video. Thank you.